Okay, this is Thomas again. It's nowhere near time for any of this to be coming in, but lo and behold, we have our first rain band coming through. As you can see, there's a modest amount of wind. There's the sheets that are coming across. We get used to that. I don't think that they have closed Highway 90 yet. I think they were talking about it, but you're supposed to stay off of Highway 90 probably starting about 7 o'clock tonight, which translated into idiot means get in your hickey muck truck and go out to Highway 90 about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. So Hurricane Gordon just starting to make its way in. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that sky too much, but that's a pretty light colored gray sky compared to Katrina and some of the other ones that I've seen. It's really not, doesn't appear to be that bad at all yet. No flooding. So first rain band on its maiden voyage through. I'm sure it'll circle around and come back and hit us again later on. Anyway, we'll keep you up to date.